Have you ever been frustrated when you try and find certain stickers that you need for your facility to label equipment or a piece of machinery, company vehicle, etc.? Well, I created this website in partnership with Printify.com, tailored specifically for facilities maintenance.
Woo!
This is what the website looks like. There's several different stickers. They come in different sizes. You can see what they look like here. We'll scroll through. They're printed on high quality vinyl. They have a protective coating to help make them UV resistant and moisture resistant. So these can be used inside and outside. And they come in several different sizes, from 2-inch square up to 6-inch square. And there are a few that are a rectangular size, like a bumper sticker size. So we'll take a closer look at this out of order sticker. It gives you a mock-up so you can kind of see how it looks on products. Select the size you want, click add to cart. Quick and easy user interface. You can read about the product here, about the details, care instructions, shipping and delivery here in the United States, return policy. These drop ship directly from the printer to your facility. Great thing about this website, you can order as few or as many stickers as you need. There's no minimum order quantities. Take another look at another sticker. You can see the mock-ups to give you an idea what it would look like. And again, if you want to order 1 sticker or 1,000 stickers or anywhere in between, that's up to you.
Woo!
The link to this website will be in this video description below. I hope this information helps you. So here's the one that's more of a bumper sticker size, rectangular shape. So if you need to label your maintenance shop door, for example, and they're all printed with a white background, as you can see. Thanks for watching.